There are moments when an undeniable need arises within us, urging us to pause and confront the source of our pain. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to acknowledge your intention to embark on a journey of healing. Close your eyes and let's enter a meditative state by taking 3 deep conscious breaths. Breathe in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale, releasing any tension or worry. Breathe in and out. In and out. Keep your attention on your breath. Make your breaths slow and deep, allowing your body and mind to match the rhythm of your breath and to slow down. With each breath, allow yourself to relax and let go. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhalation and exhalation. If you feel thoughts or worries arise, or if you feel your mind rushing, gently shift your attention back to your breath. Focus on the movement of the air going in and out of your body. Let everything else fade away for now. You are here right now to be better. Everything else can wait. Now that a sense of calm has settled within your body and mind, take a gentle pause to explore the reason behind your presence in this moment. Contemplate the fact that yearning for healing often arises when we sense an internal discord. Perhaps this very circumstance serves as a gentle reminder from your body and mind to slow down and acknowledge the need for change in our lives. It is an invitation to engage in introspection, to reflect upon the aspects that require transformation to enhance our well-being. Instead of perceiving the healing process as a mere remedy for what ails us, let us reframe it as a precious moment dedicated solely to ourselves. An invaluable opportunity for introspection, self-care, and personal growth. It is during this special interval that we can earnestly embark on the necessary steps to embrace complete well-being and allow our truest selves to flourish. As you continue to breathe, deepening its rhythm and pace, direct your attention towards the source of your suffering. With honesty, observe the elements that contribute to your distress. Free from the chains of judgment. It is essential to recognize that at times, the nature of our suffering eludes precise definition through words alone. However, we possess the power to visualize it as a conglomerate of ever-shifting emotions and sensations, a mosaic of experiences that intertwine within us. Shift your perspective and perceive these feelings as transient experiences that you are currently traversing, rather than defining aspects of your being. Recognize that they are not inherent to your identity, but rather passing phenomena within your experience. Embracing this awareness and cultivating honesty about your present situation is the pivotal initial step along the path of healing. In this serene moment of tranquility, as you bask in the solitude of self, grant yourself permission to release any lingering doubts or internal limitations that hinder your progress. Give yourself complete freedom to embrace your journey towards improvement. Let these words resonate within the depths of your being. I grant myself the freedom to heal. As these affirmations vibrate deep in your being, feel the sensations arising from letting yourself finally heal. Feel all the tensions in your body release. the weight on your heart lift. Feel the sense of hope like a beam of sunlight invading you. Igniting a renewed sense of possibility, invigorating and revitalizing you. It is an unfortunate truth that we can inadvertently become our own stumbling block on the path to personal growth. However, in this moment, recognize and celebrate the fact that you have granted yourself permission to heal. Embrace this profound act of self-liberation with open arms as you revel in the delightful sensations that resonate within you. Envision these positive emotions as a radiant spark of light, igniting within the core of your chest. Illuminating your being with luminous brilliance. Allow this inner radiance to guide you towards the transformation and growth that you seek. Witness the majestic expansions of this luminous light as it grows in strength and radiates a soothing energy that permeates your entire being. This light possesses the incredible capacity to regenerate and heal, drawing upon its innate power to bring restoration. With intention, direct this healing light towards the very source of your pain. Allowing it to completely revitalize the areas in need. Observe this light with a compassionate gaze as it tenderly tends to your wounds, embracing each ache and affliction with its profound transformative power. Feel the gentle touch of its healing essence as it dissolves the remnants of suffering, nurturing your being with tender care. Surrender to the incredible potential for healing that resides within this radiant light. Let yourself go completely into the healing process, surrendering to the power of this light. Feel it enveloping you, supporting you on your journey to healing. As you bask in this positive sensation, observe how this healing light arose from within yourself. Contemplate the profound realization that this power resides within you. It is you who has the power to heal and holds the key to unlock the doors of your own well-being. Observe how a renewed sense of joy and hope invades you as you let this realization sink in. You have taken an important step on the path of being better, and for that you should be proud. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself, for you have graciously granted permission to heal, demonstrating unwavering self-compassion and the strength to face the depths of your emotions. When the time feels right for you to transition back into the world, gently wiggle your fingers and gradually open your eyes, bringing this newfound sense of peace and empowerment with you. Carry the lessons you have learned into your daily life, knowing that you have the ability to heal and grow